So here we are at the steam vents on the Crater Drive at Kilauea National Park. These are the steam vents across the street from the crater itself. And the steam vents are caused by rainwater seeping through into the fissures below, coming in contact with the hot rock and lava below. Probably not lava, but just the heated rock. These are very active steam vents right here by the parking lot itself. And it's very hot. The steam is very hot. You can't stand in front of that steam that's coming out of those fissures because it's extremely hot. It doesn't have any bad odor, but it's very, very hot. Here we have some more steam vents as we get closer to the rim. And you can see the smoke from the crater itself rising in the background. Okay, so here we are right on the crater rim trail, hiking trail. And in the distance you can see the smoke rising from the active eruption that's happening in the base, the bottom of the cauldron here at Kilauea Crater. I'll try to zoom in on that. But of course you won't be able to see anything. We're hoping to get a good picture at night when the sun goes down. Be able to see some of the red glow. And the steam that you see coming across the viewfinder is from one of the vents here right on the crater rim. These vents right here. Very beautiful, very impressive. Just very magical. What are you doing?
Come around.
Oh,
All the vents.
yeah. And this is the whole crater. And then we have more steam vents on this side. Steam vents all over the place. You can.
Down.
Well, it's really not that much of a picture. Down to the crater floor. There we go. Like the dark side of the moon. Used to be able to hike across it, but I think they've closed it now because of the active eruption. You never know where it might spring up again. There's some steam vents also down in the bottom of the crater itself. You can zoom in on those.